Hey, you guys. So this weekend, I was sent a very cool tool. One of those tools that I think just about every online tutor wants. Yeah. All right. Well, let's check her out because I ended up getting one of these babies. Oh, yeah. This is a tablet board. It's called the XP Pen, and it is by Deco, and you are going to get to see how it works. So keep watching. Hey you guys, so I just got this new Deco 01 V2 and it is a tablet that you can write on, and we're going to check it all out. So let's open up this bad boy and see what is inside. Here we have our tablet. Pulling it on and out. We have our pen. And we have our cord. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all set up on the computer because there's some things that I need to download, and then I'm going to see how does this write with the different tools that I have. Now some of you might be wondering, well, why, if you have the Surface Pro, are you using that? Well, if you take a look at my setup here, I actually have two computers that are set on up. And so this is my Surface Pro, but as soon as I have anything up here, I can't write on anything up here. So this is my second screen, and I would love to be able to get it so that I can write on this screen as well when I'm set up in my office space. So here we go. We've got our pen. I have my bit paper on up, and I can just click on this little pen button, and I'm going to be able to draw on this just like I would if I were doing some math with one of my students. I can do 36 plus 24. And now we can do the math as if I normally would do the math. And that makes it really easy. And if I'm breaking up a word with one of my students, you know, I can write down this word. I can draw my dots over my two vowels. I can connect those dots. I can count those consonants. And I can draw my down line right down the middle. And this makes it really easy, even though I have this set up here, and I do have a Surface Pro where I can write on the screen. I can't write on the screen up here, so this makes it easier for me to be able to do that. Now I also will use OneNote, and it works really great inside of there as well. So again, I can just write inside of here without a problem. It's really easy. If I want to be able to erase, then I just do that, delete, and it's gone. So it makes it super, super simple. Now, I'm curious to see if it'll work in other programs, like if I'm inside of a document inside of my Explorer, will I be able to write on that? So I'm pretty sure anytime there's the ability to write, I will be able to write, which is fantastic. So let me grab one of my files. Let's see if I can now write as if I would be able to normally write. Yep, I can write right on here, which is nice. And when I write, when I'm inside of Explorer, one of the things that's nice is it moves with it. And if I erase, I get the wonderful opportunity to just erase right inside of here. All I have to do is click this little button right here, and it just allows me just to erase whatever it is that I have drawn. So very simple setup. I can choose to keep this on my desk over here and write, or I can have it on my lap and I can write. There's lots of different opportunities for me to be able to use this tool. It was really easy to be able to set up. The directions were that I just needed to make sure that I was getting the cursor to work first, and I was. And then the next thing that I had to do was just install on the computer. And then from there, I was able to use it, which makes writing easily. So when would I use this? I could use this again when I have it set up like this, if I don't have a tablet that I can write on. So it makes it super easy. Do you like unboxing videos like this? Then please hit that like and subscribe. And I have something that's very exciting for you. So I'm going to be giving away 2 of these boards to people that have been watching my videos and
attend one of our live calls that we are going to do in a couple of weeks. All you need to do, if you would like to win one of these boards, is fill out the form that is in the description, and you will be put onto the list for the raffle, and I will be announcing the winner on, drum roll please, April 16th. So on April 16th, we'll be doing a live drawing, and you'll be able to get to see if you have won one of these boards. So one of the tools you saw me using before, BitPaper, is a great tool to be able to use if you are an online tutor, and they have just recently moved from a free to a paid model. It's been a free program for the last 5 years, and I just did an interview to find out, why did they move to this model? What happened to make them move to this paid model? And what do they envision for the future for their whiteboard? So all you need to do is click on the right-hand side so that you can watch that interview next.